Asia Kelly L. de los Reyes with honors.
Kashika Keira L. de los Reyes with high honors.
Hi mga sis! Ulahan nyo, kailan pa to? At syempre, sa sobrang busy namin, ngayon pa lang kami nakapag-edit at nakapag-voiceover. Tama nga yung nakikita nyo, nung recognition pa to. At nag-start na nga yung program dyan. Isa-isa na tinatawag ang mga teachers. Sila pala ang magagaling at mababait ng teacher sa Santa Ines Integrated School. Nakikita nyo ba yung mga estudyante na yan, mga sis? Mga honors lahat yan. At pagkatapos pala namin magdasal at kumanta ng Lupang Inirang, nagbigay ng opening remarks ang aming mahal na principal.
Good morning po at mabuhay.
At pagkatapos, isa-isa na kaming tumawag sa stage para mabigyan ng Parangal Award.
Wow!
Nauna ngang tinawag dyan, Kinder, Grade 1 at Grade 2. Katapos nila, sumayaw muna yung Grade 4, 5, and 6. Tapos balik muna po tayo sa awarding. Kami na po yung tatawagin dyan, yung mga Grade 3 students.
Asia Kelly L. de los Reyes with honors. Adena Gabriela Divino with high honors. Edward James C. Duca with honors. Jillian Renz P. Brazillo with honors. Blair Jana Q. Mendoza with high honors.
At pagkatapos, nag-perform naman yung Kinder at Grade 1. At syempre, papahuli ba yung Grade 3? Pagkatapos sumayaw ng mga Grade 3, yung mga Grade 5 naman yung awardan.
Kashika Keira L. de los Reyes with high honors. Redrich Tian P. Manaloto with honors.
For placing third place in class and meet level, teacher coach Manbermo Ros Manuel.
At the cluster meet level, second place, 100-meter freestyle. First place, 100-meter butterfly. First place, 50-meter butterfly. First place, 200-meter individual mid-leap. First place, 50-meter breaststroke. He also achieved second place, 50-meter butterfly. Third place, 50-meter backstroke at the division level. Teacher coach Sir Marco B. Paras.
Kashika Tera L. de los Reyes for winning the third place in photojournalism at the division level. Teacher coach Manian Pakistan. Andrea B.
Honor your career in teaching with deepest appreciation for the respective years of wisdom, passion, incomparable dedication, and outstanding service to the school, learners, and the community. Given this 15th day of April 2025 at San Maiden Integrated School. Outstanding intermediate teacher, Miss Michelle D. Lumanda. Ma'am Michelle is also the recipient of the most outstanding elementary teacher of San Ines Integrated School.
At yun lang yung ganap natin for today's video mga sis! Follow our YouTube channel para mapanood ang buong vlog. Bye!